Clare County in southeastern Michigan.
Don't miss! Ah!
A thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Port Huron, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Port Huron and Lakeport around 5:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Fort Grant, Blaine, Goodell's, Smiths Creek, Ruby, and Wadhams. People attending Goodell's County Park should seek safe shelter immediately. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following county: St. Clair, Michigan.
Oh! It begins!
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a special marine warning for near shore and open waters from harbor.
SMW! Special warning! Shut the hell up!
Along the line extending from near Port St. Luc to near Port Huron, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. In panic, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Port Huron around 5:35 p.m. Your NOAA Weather Radio on hazard station KEC63 Southfield is broadcasting in a shortened cycle due to the current weather situation. So stay tuned for important.
Emergency program is now back in effect.
Early this evening,
Again.
cloudy with a 20% chance of showers and
If this happens again, I'm gonna be pissed.
near steady temperature in the upper 80s.
I'm leaving them all on.